Yeah, yeah. Bitch, I love you, but we can't keep doing this. If I don't got these Percocets,
What's up, Ray babes? So this is the start of the vlog. I don't want to make this intro too long, but pretty much this vlog is consisting of me going to Canada to visit my family and my best friend, which y'all are gonna see my best friend. But you guys, sorry, I was watching this nigga in the back. I don't know what the fuck this nigga's doing, dog. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see this. Sorry, that was probably weird. But anyways, like I said, I don't want to make this too long. So right now, this part of the vlog is gonna be like my prepping for going there, and I'm only going there for a day, but you know, I just want to bring you guys along on my day so you guys can see. Yeah, y'all, that's the update, and hope y'all enjoy this vlog. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the store. I be forgetting that Dollar General is like a real ass store. Like, they have so much stuff in here. So I already know I'm definitely gonna get some good stuff, but they look like they be taxing in here, because when I bought this in my other vlog, oh, this comes with 3, that's why. Because I was gonna say, when I bought this in my other vlog, it's only $150, but I might actually get this too, because I ran out of these, and this was smelling my car up so nice, y'all. They have so much stuff. This is why I should have came the first time I was looking for stuff, y'all, because they have way more in here. So alright, so I'm gonna pick out what I want, and I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, y'all, so I ended up finishing up at the Dollar General. Then I went to the bank and handled some business. So y'all, this is what I ended up getting. This Rain X. This is a multi-purpose cleaner. And then I got some more of these, y'all, because I got these in my last video, and these smelt up my car so good, and I threw it out because it was old, but this came with 3. So, and then I also got this protectant. So this is like gonna make it like shiny and stuff like that, and just make it look brand new, hopefully, y'all, because my car be looking dusty as hell. So, and then I also got some bleach. So y'all, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I just cleaned my car out. So I'm on the camera. Also, y'all, don't mind my nails. If you see my nails, if you get a glimpse of my nails, don't mind my nails, because I literally just said I'm about to go get my nails done, and while I was cleaning my car, like 2 nails popped off, y'all. But anyways, I wanted to open these on the phone with you guys, because last vlog I tried to open them on the phone with you guys, and it literally, like, I couldn't save the damn clip. So, but yes, y'all, I got more of the vanilla things like last time, and these smell so good, y'all. Like, they be smelling so good. They be smelling so good. I don't know, I probably can't. So why is the lighting like that? That's weird. But yeah, y'all, it's super clean in here. It smells so good. Like, it's just a good reset. Okay, so y'all, I just got a DoorDash order, so I'm about to go do this order, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, now I'm in the tunnel. I just wanted to record this really quick, showing y'all me going to Canada. Probably shouldn't be recording this, but hey, fuck it. Y'all, I have the worst fucking story time ever about my nails, bro. Okay, y'all, I'm about to do a taste test of this sushi. So pretty much this restaurant is like all you can eat. So you just keep ordering shit. This is the fried California roll.
Isn't it crispy?
Yeah, crispy edition.
Let me get mine in there too.
Thank you.
Finally got something to cook.
Red Lobster vibes. This pussy up. Bro, that was actually good though. So y'all, morning after.
That's pretty much all there is.
No, literally.
What kind of morning we're having?
But y'all, we made the cookies and we did a lot of shit. I just forgot to update everybody.
That is just.
That's this.
I don't know. You guys will know. If you know what it is, drop
Pineapple.
a comment.
It's a piece of pineapple. But yeah, y'all. So, but we're about to go for breakfast, so I'm gonna vlog that. And this is what Canada looks like in the morning time. Are you excited to eat?
Yeah.
So we ordered the same thing. We ordered the same thing because this is bestie, you know.
It's a lot of food though, like, thank you. You gotta be hungry.
We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. So, you like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me your new man gon' make you miss it. I'm saying, you come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst.